What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a functioning Google form. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To create a Google form, open up your browser and head to docs.google.com/forms. Make sure you're logged into your Google account with which you want to invite people to this form, and select one of the form templates that aligns well with the form you're trying to create. To modify existing questions, simply click on them and change the text. In case you want to delete a question, you can simply click on the question and then select the delete button. Adding a new question is pretty simple. Use the plus button and select the question type from the drop-down menu. Once the type of question is selected, you can edit and add the required content for the question and answers. For example, when creating multiple choice questions. Next, open the editor to explore different settings and options. Once your form is ready, it's time to share it. Click on Send and opt for the link option to create a single link for convenient access to your form. You can send this link to anyone you wish to participate. It's a great tool to create free forms quickly in your browser. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.